Hey guys, Jules from Sprint Booster here. Today, we're going to be installing a sprint booster in this 2020 Porsche Macan S. Step number one, as always, you're going to open the driver's side door, take your key fob, take it 20 feet away. This allows the vehicle's CAN bus system to reset. This vehicle's pedal setup is a little unique. The bottom of the pedal hooks into a retention tab within the vehicle. Up top, there's a single retention screw. The first step is to remove this retention screw from the pedal, tilt the pedal down, and it swings right on out. To remove the vehicle's pedal from the harness, pull back on the red tab. Next, install the sprint booster into the pedal itself. Press downwards on the red tab until it clicks. Now that you've installed the sprint booster into the pedal, install the selector switch into the sprint booster. This is a good time to select where you'd like to place the controller itself. We selected a spot just to the right of the steering wheel. Now that you've installed the sprint booster and the selector switch, reinstall the entire assembly back into the factory harness. That was the install of the sprint booster on this 2020 Porsche Macan S. Leave us a comment and let us know what vehicle you guys would like to see next. To find your vehicle's application, go to sprintboosterusa.com.